But you didn't. Been out there an hour.
When you come in?
Oh, that's for your father. So you've got the cake. And your sister's got a bit.
I think so.
Did you do what? Oh, that's right. He said,
Yeah, have some of this. Crikey. You did go that.
well, bloody hell. Better leave the window open.
No, Mikey, you'll freeze to death.
Oh, freeze to death. Only just pop it off. I'll just come in, you know. Hello.
Pop it outside.
Sorry. Just pop it up. Thank you.
Ja, also ich komme danach. Wenn du kommst, wir reden. Immer müssen wir Haus haben, wo work free.
Sit down.
Do you sit down?
You must think I'm mad.
What?
Come on, like this.
No, Mikey. No, really.
No.
So, what you been doing tonight then?
I got it from work. Knocked around. I found food and I protect. I did.
No, you didn't do that.
Well, it was your sister asked me, and didn't really pay anything.
Why do you not? Did you tell her you wanted me?
Well, I don't know why, but I just it would be really funny if I could, you know, she said the number and then I just put the phone down.